Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix AutoCAD not opening in 2026. If AutoCAD won't launch, crashes on startup, or gets stuck on the loading screen, this guide will walk you through the most common solutions step by step. First, restart your computer and try opening AutoCAD again. A simple reboot can often resolve temporary software or system issues. Next, make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for your version of AutoCAD. Running the software on unsupported hardware can prevent it from starting properly. Now right-click the AutoCAD shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This gives the application the permissions it needs to launch correctly. If AutoCAD still doesn't open, check for Windows updates and install any pending updates. Then open the Autodesk Access app and install the latest AutoCAD updates if they're available. Next, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall and test AutoCAD again. Sometimes security software can block AutoCAD from launching. If this fixes the issue, add AutoCAD to your antivirus exceptions. Now try resetting AutoCAD to its default settings using the Reset Settings to Default shortcut from the Windows Start menu. This can resolve problems caused by corrupted settings. Finally, if none of these solutions work, repair the AutoCAD installation through the Windows app settings, or uninstall and reinstall the latest version from the official Autodesk website. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to fix AutoCAD not opening step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like